Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna walk you through my process of painting this scene on Procreate and by using only one brush. So first of all, my process, I go through doing a quick sketch of that, after then applying the values and applying some colors just to see how that will look like into this thumbnail, and only after I'm pretty happy with that is that I will go and get that thumbnail that, even though it's pretty messy, I like it. So I get that thumbnail and then I stretch that one, which will serve like as a base for outlining it so I can do my final piece. First, I like to paint like what is the background, the sky color, and then start putting the main colors, thinking about what is the main color for what are the main colors for the trees, for the grass, for the background, for the path. So I start putting that, and only afterwards what I start refining it and going over details. This process is good because then I don't get attached too much to details, and so I can block the main colors and then only refine them afterwards when I feel like, okay, I think this here can be improved. I think I can bring like some color here and though and everything. So this is how I like to do my process, and then I just like enjoying refining and going over details only afterwards. So that's pretty much the rest of the process here in this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. I do enjoy this process a lot, so yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.